In this video, we are going to talk about interpreting box plots. In other words, we are going to talk about how to read them and answer questions about them. This is on the back page of the notes. It says, which of the following box and whiskers diagrams shows a data set with the greatest median? Keyword here, greatest. Another keyword is median. Alright, what do you think? You have to pay very close attention to the scales here. In question 1, if you look, the scale is going up by 5. So the median right here would be 30. In choice 2, the scale is 10. So the median here, 10 before 50, would be 40. In choice 3, the scale is going up by 2. So the median here is 22. And in the last choice, the scale is going up by 5. So the median here is 7. Now, think about what answer you picked. The correct answer is choice 2 with the median of 40. Question 3. 20 of Mr. Reston's physics students recently took a quiz. The results of the quiz are shown in the following box and whiskers diagram. Assume that all scores are whole numbers. Question A. What was the median score on the quiz? Alright, so I want you to go ahead and do that question by yourself. Think about our 5-number summary. So if you paid close attention to your scale, they're going by 2s. This is 70, so the next one would be 72, 74, and so on. The median is here, which is clearly in between 70 and 72. So you should have said 71. Part B asks us what was the range of the scores on the physics quiz. See if you can answer that question. Remember, to find our range, we take our max, or our highest, and subtract the minimum, which is our lowest. In this case, our highest is 84, and our lowest is over here in between 52 and 54, so that would be 53. So when I do 84 minus 53, I get 31 for my range. Question C. What score was greater than or equal to 75% of all the other scores on the quiz? Well, if you remember, each part is worth 25%. So if I want to know where the 75% mark is, that's my third quartile, or Q3. So if I look, Q3 is the end of my box, which is right there. And that is on that line at 76. So a score of 76 is greater than or equal to 75% of all the other scores. Last question, part D. Mr. Reston regularly sets the passing grade on his quizzes to be the score of the lower quartile. What is the passing grade on this quiz? Alright, go ahead and find me the lower quartile, or Q1 score. So I'm looking for the lower quartile, or Q1. If I look at my picture, my box plot, Q1 is at 64, so a passing grade on this quiz is 64. Sometimes teachers in upper level classes or in college will do this to get a passing grade. Alright, if you have everything copied in your notes and you are still waiting for everybody else to finish, move on to the practice on the computer.